What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Vonta, and I'm back with another video. Today we got the first mods for the Hellcat, the updated SRT Hellcat badge for the front grille and the updated one from the back. So yeah, today it just came in a couple days ago. Yes sir, about time though. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick. So here's both the badges right here. This is the rear one, SRT Cat, and this is the front one. Because as you see on the 2016 Hellcats, they don't make them with the cat, and I do not like that. Because people be like, "Is that a Hellcat or is that a 392?" So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install it real quick. So yeah, to install the front one, I think you just need a flathead screwdriver, and it's like I think it's 4 points, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just really aim it up, and then I'm gonna pin them from the back like that. So let me go ahead and try it now. I see this. So just like that, it comes out. It's real easy. And then this is the new one. Just press it in. Bam! Looks so much better already. So yeah, that's it now. That's the updated one. Looks so much better. Yes, I like it. I don't know what made them do this. But yeah, these badges, they was $50 each on Amazon, and like I said, I just installed it in what, 10 seconds, less than that, with just a flathead screwdriver. But yeah, just make sure it's in good, and then yeah, it's all set now. It's time to do the back. So that one was easy. This one I think gonna be a little harder because I'm gonna have to clean it. But yeah, as you see, this SRT badge, it's getting replaced with this one, so it's gonna look like that. SRT Cat. I gotta make sure I gotta line it up. No, it's not gonna be because I need to go back. But yeah, this placement should be good. I was gonna fix it up here, but it won't stay steady. It's just all the way up or all the way down. So I'm just now I'm gonna shut. Once they lock. There we go. Oh, this one I got some Google on. You can get this at AutoZone. And I got a micro fabric towel. Wipe it down. So yeah, just put a little Google on there. I don't want to break it, even though I don't care for them. Fuck that. Put a little more. Run it down the constant. Oh, got damn. What? The R's broke. I really don't care. I don't need these. Okay, so it's all off. Do I scrub this on? And bam, just like that, it's off. Okay, now it's time to install the new one. I think I'm on it like right there or something. That should be perfect. Yeah. So you see it's double-sided. Yeah, it's sticky, so you gotta be careful with it. I actually think I want to start backwards. Yeah, I'm actually gonna start backwards because this piece is a little big. Okay. Yeah, that's a decent placement. RT. It's RT now. So it was a little crooked, but I fixed it. It looked better like that. So yeah, I'm finished with those two. We got more marks to come. I'm gonna do a taillight tint. I'm gonna get the 5-inch tips of the diffuser. I'm gonna wrap it. I got some more stuff coming up. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.